Welcome to the in front of me Oppo A96, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the silent mode switcher. Just click once on the switcher and now you can see that the silent mode is activated. So the ringtones and notifications, they will be mute, so this means that the silent mode is turned on. And if you want to just turn off silent mode, click here once on the switcher and now you can see that the ringtones and notifications, they will ring. And the second way how you can do that, just swipe the ringtone volume panel to the left, so mute the ringtones and the silent mode will just activate it. You can see it here. Just to turn it off, just swipe to the right side the ringtone volume panel. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just open the notification panel and here somewhere you will see the silent mode icon. Just to activate silent mode, click once on this icon. To turn it off, click on the icon again. And also we have the third way how we can do that. Press up or down volume button here on the left side of the device and you'll see also here this ring bell icon. Click once on this icon and we can see here the message that the ringtones and notifications, they will be muted. This means that we just activated the silent mode, and just to turn it off, click once again on this bell icon and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.